After 42 pastors and their families accept Islam in Abuja, Nigerians have continued to react as 42 pastors and their family members join Islam. These are the wives of the 42 pastors that recently joined Islam in Abuja. According to the reactions on the social media to the report that 42 pastors and their families have accepted Islam, shows that some Nigerian Christians find it difficult to believe that leaders of Christian church can convert to Islam with no strings attached. Wow! The number is very huge, 42. But what must have prompted them to accept Islam? Okay, let us just continue with the report for now. According to the reports reaching us, the above-named new Islam converts accepted Islam at the conference hall of National Mosque in Abuja and are currently on a 7-day seminar where they are being educated on the basis of Islam. After they freely and willingly decided Islam is best for them. However, while Moses have celebrated this news, some Christians believe there is something more to it than is being said. Please remember to hit the subscribe button under as you enjoy the report. Now, let us see how the world and Nigerians reacted to this news. For me, I don't know why the 42 left Christianity for Islam, but I still remember that everyone has freedom of worship. What do you think?